sinusuyo ako. Anong tamis, anong lambing, binibigkas ang labi mo. Ngunit kahit mabago pa sa akin ang damdamin mo, mananatili ka, mahal, sa puso ko. Pagkat ikaw ang tunay na mahal, kaya't hindi magbabago kailan pa man. Kahit na nga ako ay nasaktan, nasaktan, nasaktan ang pangako mo. Noong sinusuyo ako, anong tamis, anong lambing, binibigkas ng labi mo. Ngunit kahit nagbago pa sa akin ang damdamin mo, mananatili ka, mahal, sa puso ko.
Kinode.
Trix and Melina! Grabe naman yung performance niyo. Napaka-soulful. And alam nyo, ramdam na ramdam namin na parang wala kami dito. Parang kayo lang yung dalawang nagpo-perform. Oo, parang may sarili kayong mundo. So, pakinggan naman natin ang ating Clash Panel.
Grabe talaga yung bosesan. Para talaga kayong nagkwento. Kinukwento nyo, ano ba yung It's a Man's World. Si Sandrex, grabe parang nagulat ako sa'yo ha. Parang yung talagang nilabas niya yung kagalingan niya ngayon ha.
Thank you.
At nag-compliment talaga yung boses nyo. Para kayong masarap na prutas na nilagay sa blender. Very smooth. Masarap na smoothie yung prutas na lumabas dun sa blender nyo. Magaling, maayos. Yun,
Thank you po.
tama.
Nakakamangha. Kasi, alam niyo yun, yung bukod sa, alam naming kumakanta kayo, nag-perform kayo, pero parang at the same time, alam mo yung nag-uusap lang kayo, yung tandem nyo, parang iba yung chemistry. Kasi parang nagbibigayan kayo, kaya talagang nag-compliment kayo, bawat isa. When it comes to your mga boses nyo, si Sandrex, parang sabi ko napapatingin ako dito, yung boses mo parang iba yung timbre na merong sexiness, may sensual feel in it, pero malinis pa rin at the same time.
Tayo yun, ah.
Ha? Sexy pero malinis.
Oo.
Ikaw yon ganon.
Tayo.
Tayo. Sige na nga, payag na ako. Pero ganun din si Melin eh. Kaya parang magic yung naging performance niya. Talagang, wow, nag-blend lahat ng mga kulay and nag-explode at nag-produce ng isang magandang number. Congratulations! Woo!
Thank you so much.
Thank you, thank you.
Okay, I agree sa co-judges natin on how you vocally perform. Pero meron akong isang hindi ko matanggal sa isip ko kanina na parang kailangan kong sabihin.
Which is?
Pero isang tanong sa inyong dalawa and you have to answer. Ano ang pinaka-importanting line dito sa kantang ito?
It don't mean nothing without a woman or girl.
Sa'yo?
The same po.
The same.
Man is without,
Exactly. Yun yung hinahanap ko na hindi ko nakita. In-expect ko, okay, siguro nagbe-build up sila. Kailan kaya niya i-honor si Melina? Kailan kaya niya i-forward? Kasi yun ang ibig sabihin ng kantang ito. Alright? So vocally, you did well. Pero wag niyo kalimutan yun. Kasi at the end of the day, ano talaga yung true meaning ng kanta? Wala kami mga lalaki kung wala kayong mga babae.
Brain?
Okay.
Grabe naman yung brain mo.
So parang, kung iti-twist ko yun, parang, dali ah.
Bagay na bagay ka talagang judge dito.
So kung mag-blacking-blacky ako, lagi ako parang nakatingin sa'yo. Laging ikaw ang nasa harap. Ikaw lagi nasa harap. Ikaw lagi papaikutin ko. Kaya baka pwedeng luhodan pa kita o ganyan.
yan.
Ikaw lang ng ikaw lagi. Wala ako dito kung wala ka.
Oh,
Parang lagi kong sinusuyo or sinusugod, parang ginaganon ko lagat.
Grabe naman yung birthday boy!
Grabe naman talaga.
Ano ramdam ba?
At saka napaka-intelligent. Para tuloy naging mga ko, ha? Ano ba yan?
Alright, so thank you.
Can you see into my eyes like open doors? Leaving you down into my core, what I become so numb. Without a soul, my spirit's sleeping somewhere cold until you find me there and lead it back home. Wake me up inside. I can't wake up. Wake me up inside. Call my name and save me from the dark. Wake me up. Beat my blood to run. I can't wake up. Before I come undone. Save me from the nothing I've become. Frozen inside without your touch, without your love, darling. Only you are the light among the dark. Crawling inside, I can't believe I couldn't see. Give me the dawn, push you down in front of me. I was living without your vision seems. Got to open my eyes to everything. Without God, without a voice, without soul. Don't let me die here, there must be something more. Wake me up inside. Wake me up inside. Call my name and save me from the dark. Beat my road to run before I come and die. Save me from the nothing I've become. Bring me to life. I've been living the lie. It's burning This is a man's world. This is a man's world. This is a man's world, don't you know? Man's world, yes I know. But it won't be nothing. Nothing. Without a woman or a girl. Man made them pretty little baby girls and baby boy. Yes, he did. Man made them happy, cause man made them toys. And after a man makes everything, don't you know? Then let me tell you about it. Man made money to buy from other men. Well, this is a man's world. Without a woman or a girl. You know, man's world.